Whoa! Whoa! That is a very tall skateboard ramp. I did not know it was that tall. Nobody told me it was that tall.
You built it, Shamus.
I know I built it. I'm just saying, it looks different from here.
Are you gonna go down it?
Yes. Obviously. I'm learning. Today's big word is learning. Learning means getting better at something new, even when it's hard.
Even when it's scary. Even when you fall off a skateboard. Not that that's gonna happen.
What if it does happen?
Then I'll be learning even faster.
What does learning actually look like?
Good question. Let me show you. Step 1, try it. Here I go. That was the ground.
That was a really fast fall.
Thank you, Matthew. That is called a first attempt. First attempts are part of learning.
Are you okay?
Completely fine. Slightly dizzy. Fully fine. Okay, what went wrong? My feet. My feet went wrong. I need to bend my knees. Let me try again. That is what learning looks like. You don't stop after the first fall. You figure out what went wrong. Then you go again. What do you think I should fix? Knees. Yep.
Knees!
Good call. Here we go. Knees bent, eyes forward. That was better. I stayed on for 3 whole seconds. That is a personal record. It absolutely is a personal record. My previous record was 0 seconds. Learning is happening right now.
You just needed to adjust.
Exactly, Bella. Learning means adjusting, trying, fixing, going again. One more time. Knees bent, arms out, eyes forward. Okay. I am doing it. I am actually doing it.
He's doing it! Don't look at us. Look forward.
I know.
You've got it, Shamus.
I made it to the bottom. I, Shamus the dog, rode a skateboard all the way down. That was learning. Right there. That was the whole thing.
What if you had just stopped after the first fall?
Then I'd still be sitting in the grass, meeting the ground.
The ground seems like a bad friend.
The ground is a very honest teacher, Matthew. Here's what I want you to remember. Learning means getting better at something new. It takes trying and falling and trying again. The falling part is not the end. The falling part is just the middle. Is there something you're trying to learn right now? Keep going. You're in the middle part. The good part is coming. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and bend your knees.